What is divide and rule? All right, so divide and rule is a system of inequality and rivals where one family or group are given privileges, usually created from decolonization. All right, so let's talk a little bit about privileges here, right? So now you have colonists who are pulling away, right? And once they pull out from governing whatever territory they colonized, that's what's known as decolonization. You're allowing that territory to kind of govern itself, all right? Hopefully, by the time you extract completely from that government, from that territory, you've managed to provide them with a good structure, of offices and government bodies and organization, you know. All right, so now we have here privileges, right? So when decolonization happens, right, a few factors, they might they're different from state to state, but they might come up. One factor is territory boundaries, right? All before the French came, this part of land ultimately belonged to us, right? So that's a form of conflict with a neighboring territory. All right. Now, inner, let's say interior. All right. Oh, before the British came, my tribe was in charge of the government. Your tribe was, the majority who were the working force. All right. So this system here, this divide and rule system, eventually creates social class differences. All right. So yeah, it's been used hundreds of years, even thousands of years. You have kings, workers, you have presidents, you have, we'll say, presidents and governors, So it's a division of rule and system, right? Obviously, one group has power over the other, and that's what divide and rule is, okay? So once again, divide and rule is a system of inequality and rivals where one family or group are given privileges. One example before I leave would be in Africa, right? You have Tribe A that has always been in charge of the government body, and Government B, and Tribe A is in charge of governing Tribe B within the state. There's no sense of democracy there. If Tribe A is always passing down their governing positions, and they have some type of an inheritance program there. So divide and rule. All right, system of inequalities and rivals where one family or group are given privileges.